So these parts are out of a 2017 Silverado, and the customer wants us to do a real carbon fiber finish on all these pieces, his glove box door, the bow tie emblems, and then the shift bezel trim. So we are going to get these things taken care of, and we'll show you the transformed finish after we add real carbon fiber to these parts. So this customer wanted real carbon fiber in his 2017 Chevy Silverado, so that's what we did for him. We've put the real carbon fiber on his shift handles. He's got a sport shift handle, and then of course on the bow ties front and back, and then on the glove box lid. Just looks absolutely gorgeous. We do real carbon fiber. We also do synthetic carbon fiber, but the real carbon fiber has just an amazing depth to it, as you can see. Just really deep. It's because it's actually a fabric that's buried in that resin. And then with all of our real carbon fiber, we put a UV protective top coat over them so that they don't degrade in the sunlight. So that's what we do. Craftcustoms.com is your source for carbon fiber interior parts and carbon fiber steering wheels. So reach out to us at craftcustoms.com or give us a call at 214-564-1170.